Hi ladies, it's Ali here and welcome to Clear Skin and Wellbeing, and I'm Ali. So today I thought I would just show you what I'm using at the moment as my beauty routine in the evening. It's quite quick and quite simple. I do tend to change it a bit, but at the moment I'm using almost like a three-step, which is a double cleanse. Then I would apply a hyaluronic serum, and then after that a form of moisturiser just to lock in the moisture. And I would do this on the evenings when I'm not using retinol, which is probably every other night. So first things first, I'll tie my hair up very briefly. Good look. Now I have already taken my makeup off, so I just thought I would just sort of give you a rough idea of the sort of thing I do. So first of all, the beauty balm I'm using at the moment is an organic one, and it's from Neal'S Yard, and I love Neal'S Yard. It's organic, I like their ethos. Now this one's with Wild Rose Beauty. It's a Wild Rose Beauty Balm, and we know that rose is really good, which contains plenty of vitamin A, which is great for the skin and also helps with the plumpness and the fine lines and wrinkles. Now here we go. You can see I've used quite a bit. Now I have had this for a good old year. It is, I think, about £40. It's not cheap, but a little goes a long way and it lasts for a long time, so it's well worth it. Love the scent. So what I would do first at the end of the day is just take just little bits here, as you can see, and then just let it disintegrate into my fingers, and then gently apply over my face. So with this, I can almost give a little massage as well after a hard day. Relax. Now I like to use a balm first to take off my makeup, as my skin, as it's getting older, is more mature. It's definitely getting more dry. Definitely have dry skin now. Used to be oily, but it's definitely changed. All here on those little lines, a little bit of a massage there, and then just to take off any makeup, just very carefully over the eyes. There you go. And then I would just, let's have a look, I would actually, some cotton wool in some water, so some there, and then I would just take off my makeup. Now unfortunately, just before I started to film, I actually scratched my face with my nail. So I've got a bit of a, I'm sure it'll go tomorrow. My nails aren't very long, but mine. Also on the neck. And then I would use a damp cloth as well to take off any residual balm. Now obviously I would do this when I'm not using my retinol. I tend to do this probably every other night. So I'm using my retinol every other night. So on the night I'm not using retinol, I would use the beauty balm. So once I've done that, I would then cleanse my skin again, and I would use something which I'm using at the moment. Should be more prepared. Here we go. It's I got this from Marks and Spencer's, and it's again with hyaluronic acid, which I love. Again, anything to just get everything plumping up. So just a little bit on there, just to make sure I've got rid of any form of grime. On the neck. And then I'd wash that. Let's get another clean cloth. Now once I've done my double cleanse, I would leave to dry for, I don't know, 10 minutes, and then I would then apply my facial serum. Now the facial serum I'm using at the moment has got hyaluronic acid in, and I did buy this from HomeSense, and I can't remember how much it cost me. It was under £20, but I do know it is about 50 anywhere else, so I had a bit of a bargain in HomeSense, and it's this one. It's Skin Research Pro hyaluronic acid facial serum. So what I would do, just a little bit, you can see that, a couple of those. Okay, that's there. And we'll just apply some of that. I do tend to change my facial serums quite often, to be honest. I don't think it's a bad thing. I do like the Body Shop facial serum, but at the moment I've run out, so I'm on plan B. Right, so I'd leave that on for about 10 minutes just to sink in and get everything going and just to do its work. And then what I'm using at the moment is to lock in all this moisturiser is with a moisturiser. And well, so what I'm using at the moment, and I've got to say I really do love it, it's Drops of Youth. Now this I haven't run out of, and it's the Body Shop. I think it's about £32, something like that. I think they call it bouncy. It's really weird, very strange texture, you can see. And even if you put your finger in and make a mark, within a couple of hours, that would all be the same again. To be honest, it's like slime. So I would just place just a little bit. Again, I think it's derived from about 99% natural ingredients. I'm not sure how organic it is, but I like the smell. It's not too perfumey. Some of the moisturisers I have tested and used just have a real synthetic perfume scent, and this doesn't. Now what this does, locks in the serum, all that moisturiser. I think it's called Bouncy Sleeping Mask it's called. So I'd like to think I'd have nice bouncy skin by the next morning. I'll just gently over there, and literally I'll just massage it in. So I do tend to chop and change. Just a little bit of that. And then I'll just leave that to sink in for a bit. So that's my evening routine at the moment. As I say, it will chop and change, but that's what the products I'm using at the moment and I'm really enjoying. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.